Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can find old AI styles on CapCut PC. So for instance, you want to add the style that used to be here or in trending. Go to effects, go to body effects, and you are going to go to the portrait one, and you'll be able to find the old AI effects that they used to have on the right side here. Select the one that you want. I'll just select this one, and I'm just going to apply it to the video. It's going to process, so wait a little bit. Oh, this is the male version, sorry. Just grab it and place it on the picture, and that is it. It's not accurate. Let's use a different photo because she has like bangs, and let's do this one. But yeah, that is it. Basically, I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!